Positioning and fixing of LED lens light bar, convenient and precise positioning of the tooling. The second process is to install the LED lens light bar module diffuser plate bracket to support the diffuser plate to make the diffuser plate flat and stable. The LED lens light bar module reflector is installed, and the reflector reflects the light source to improve the utilization rate of the light source. Diaphragm installation, using the principle of refraction to spread the light source evenly and collect light upward. Automatic suction screen machine enables automatic installation of glass panels and improves efficiency. By installing the TV chip main board, circuit board, button remote control board, speaker lock and other screws to fix. LED darkroom test, test chromaticity and brightness, eliminate interference from external light sources. TV test station, conduct overall test on TV to ensure product quality.